Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
We're gonna be trying a slime recipe that we saw. It's gonna be a 2-ingredient slime recipe. It's just gonna be glue and then some detergent.
Let's do it.
Have these glues.
Do we have to pour the whole bottle?
The whole bottle.
Oh, that one.
Our little bowl
Bowl.
and the spoon.
Spoon. Okay, unscrew it. And then you take it off and go put it in. That'll help, that'll help.
There were so many mixed comments on if it worked or not. I wonder if it works.
See how it works, Rob?
We'll
Yeah,
see.
we'll see if it works.
It won't turn into a glob.
Wow.
And
That's
dust.
actually a lot of glue. Get your glue in there, baby.
Here, I do it. Here.
Daddy, help.
And then you pour it in. Go ahead. Pour it in. Nice.
Ooh.
You want to stand up here?
Good job, Atlas. Good job, Travis. You got all your glue in there? Good. That's a good amount of glue. The glue's in there now.
Let's do it
We're gonna
together.
put
Let's
in
do it
some
together.
laundry detergent. Travis, just put in a little bit of that, okay?
Spout is better, so I'll help you hold it up here.
Somebody far.
I think that was me.
Is that good?
Okay, that's good. Okay, now stir it. Looks like it's actually mixing, doesn't it, you guys?
Yeah.
It looks like it's actually coming together. You don't think it's working?
I think it is.
I think it's working.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Good, let brother
My
turn.
turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Yeah,
Go
I think we
ahead.
should add a little bit more.
Go. Take go.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's alright.
That's good.
You can just wash it off your hands.
Brother's turn.
Oh,
So we added a lot more detergent, and now it's
like
clumping
guts.
up.
Like guts.
That looks crazy.
It looks like guts.
It looks like guts, huh, Atlas?
Yeah, guts.
Now we need to put some red dye
Well, let's keep mixing it.
to make it look like zombie guts.
Not zombie guts.
That's a zombie.
Uh-oh.
Bite you.
It's a baby one.
I go bite you.
Don't bite me, Daddy.
No, bite you.
Nah.
12, 13, 14, 15.
Does this look good?
Atlas turn.
Maybe we have to take it out now and
It's
eat
my
it.
head. Yeah.
That looks crazy. Did that work?
Hey, look it.
Did that work?
It's where? It did. Look at it. It's so slimy.
Good. Did you think that was gonna work, babe?
No, I didn't think so.
Wow.
Yo!
It's the lime. We made slime.
No! I'm tearing up the swab. Fat.
The slime
So
boy.
much fat in here.
Slime monsters. That is crazy. I didn't think it was gonna work. No. Oh yeah.
Hey,
That's slime.
what are you guys doing here?
It's like
Yes, I saw
Don't
it.
play with that slime.
So we had to add a little bit more detergent because it was too sticky. Wow.
So cool.
So cool, huh? Now
Say it again, Atlas.
It's okay.
Swab.
Just don't do it again.
Look at this.
We
Swab.
help you.
Look at
better.
swab.
that looks like Dog Days.
What
Right?
dog days from?
Or who is it?
That dog
Bluey?
days. I'm just making. That dog days from.
It looks like Dog Days, huh?
Yes.
Travis
There you go.
said it's not.
Good. No.
You like it, Alice?
Yeah.
Wow.
Slime.
Travis, did you think it was gonna work?
Yeah.
Daddy, did you think it was gonna work?
Oh.
No.
I suck.
I didn't think it was gonna work either, but it worked. Now you can make slime at home if you have these 2 ingredients.
Slime bug.
Yeah.
Oh, it's slime.